What's up, guys? It's Mark. This is the third truck of the day. Check this out. It's one of my kind of commuter truck favorites that I used to drive back in the day. I still do every now and then. This is a 2013, 12, fucked up already. 2012 Honda Ridgeline RTL, fully loaded top to bottom, heated seats, backup camera, leather, everything you can put in a truck, it's in here. So, little background story on this truck. My brother is a die-hard queer Ridgeline lover, okay? He's been through about probably 5 Ridgelines. He works a corporate job. He's a corporate schmuck. No offense to you corporate schmucks out there, but this guy loves his Ridgelines, and I can understand why. Here's the first reason. Follow me to this trajectory right here. I need you to move right here. Right here. Right behind me, it's not a friggin' snapback hat. It's not a friggin' fishing hat. It looks like a fucking safari hat, okay? If you look at it, it looks like a goddamn safari hat. But here's where the cool part comes into the truck. Let me show you. Walk quick. Truck, he's just like his older brother. He likes 20% window tint on every damn vehicle because it matches perfectly at the back end. It looks good, you're in privacy. But now to the cool part about Ridgelines. If I can't sell you on Ridgelines, I'll be able to sell you now. I know big trucks and everything and exotic sports cars and turbocharged Hayabusas and like crazy exotic shit are my style with big trucks and monster trucks and shit. But here's why I like the Ridgeline. First reason is that it's just nice interior. It's very comfortable. Right here, I'm going to show you real quick. Watch this. Look, compartments here. Compartments that slide out here. Secret compartments. You can put AR-15s, AK-47s. God, whatever you want. Whatever type of crap you want. Grenade launchers and grenades inside there. You see the cubby hole? Look, look. Quick, we gotta move quick. This is a cubby hole in here, and you can switch it. Cubby hole in there, cubby hole in there. It's like the camping guy's perfect vehicle. Sunroof. Let me move on to the next. Watch this. Next step. Next cool part. Ready? So you ride with your homies. You can put people in the back here. All right. Boom. Camo mode. Put shit down in here like, you know, your camping supplies, your tents, your gay shit that you want to go when you go camping and whatnot. Now to the coolest part. My personal favorite. I like to drink, okay? I love Coors Lights, Jaeger bombs, Jack and Cokes, all that good stuff. Watch this, ready? Whenever you roll out with your buddies, you want to go to a football game or you want to go friggin' to a party and be the life of the party. This is a pickup truck bed, but you pull it right here and it becomes a friggin' lift gate, sideways, vertically and horizontally open bed. The best part of all, it has a built-in cooler in the bed. Come check it out. Now you can lock it if you want to keep those your buddies who drink all your goddamn alcohol away from you. Lock it up from the fat ass. Don't let them drink it, or the alcoholic, whatever you have. Ready? Boom! Electric, friggin' hideaway storage cooler with a spare tire and all your shit. So no, if you want stuff that's like, you know, smelly or dirty or whatnot, you keep it in here. And the beautiful part is when you put a bunch of friggin' ice in here and pack it up in the summertime with beer and liquor, it stays cool. After the day's gone and you're all drunk as shit and you want to drain your cooler, watch this. Pull the damn plug and drain your friggin' ice out. It's awesome as shit. That's why I love it. You know, it's just a very cool, versatile truck. But in all seriousness, it's a clean truck. It's got a few blemishes, scratches and whatnot. You know, tires are, we put new tires on this 2 years ago, or a year, not even, shit, a year ago. Truck runs and drives perfect. I've driven it many, many times. We've been to monster truck rallies together. We've been to car shows together with this. Not driving this to the car show, but him or I following each other and whatnot. Come check it out. Let me show you the rest of it. Oh, by the way, I didn't steal that Walmart basket in the back. I politely took it. Right here, you got your oh shit handle when you want to get down to serious. Pull that motherfucker up. It's got the factory radio in it, so whoever buys this truck got the factory radio included with it. All right. Switching gears. Look how nice the door jambs are. Super, super clean. You can eat off that. See? No problem there. That's pretty much about it. You know, truck runs and drives good. It passed VA inspection with flying colors, fresh oil change. I love it. You know, it's a great truck. Oh, it has, I'll show should let the fuel pump run because I always do that, but I'm in a rush. It's got an auxiliary cable. It's got a backup camera, aftermarket CD player. It's got 52,000 miles on this. Guys, like I was saying to the videos, if you're wondering what's on this truck, what's done to it, how many miles on it, the condition, I'm very particular and I elaborate on every vehicle that I buy personally with my own money. And I put a lot of time and effort into each one of these vehicles. So click on the description of the vehicle. It'll bring a drop-down menu. Subscribe to my brown ass, or my white ass, or my black ass, whatever you want to call me, I don't care. Subscribe, read all about it, all the information's in it, my phone number. You get any questions, holler at me. I'm gonna drive around the parking lot so you can see how gay this safari hat looks. Watch this. That's it, guys. This is Mark with the 2012 Honda Ridgeline, 52,000 miles, RTL, fully loaded, backup camera, leather heated seats. Awesome Ferrari hat if you're in the market for a safari hat. Holler at me, 540-848-2974 if you got any questions. Want to buy this truck, I can help you out. Peace out.